Hello guys, I will be showing you how to run a Python program without a PC. So you can do it all by using your mobile. In a short moment I will be showing you that. So let's get started. First you have to install termux app in Play Store. It is already installed in my mobile. So there is no need to install it again. Then I will be installing Quick Edit text editor. And it is also already installed in my mobile. Then open termux. Type clear command to clear the screen. After that, you have to type install Python. This command will install Python in your mobile, in your termux. Enter. So it is already installed in my mobile and it will not install it again. Then type Python. As you can see, there is 3 arrow marks and you can type Python program in that. Print hello world. And the output will be hello world. But the problem is you can't execute the whole file in this. You have to have a text editor for this. So I'll be using quick edit text editor. Exit. Exit the app. Use exit command to exit the app. After installing Python in termux, you have to open File Manager. Enter device storage. In device storage, you have to create a new folder. The folder name will be happy 2. Create. So happy2 folder is created. Then exit the file manager. Open quick edit text editor. Then type a Python program. Print hello world. Print hello. Save as. Emulated 0. You have to navigate to the emulated 0. Storage emulated 0. It is the path where your happy2 file will be. So let's search for happy2. You can see happy2 folder here. Then save it here. So it is successfully saved. Exit the quick edit app. After creating the Python file, you have to execute it in termux. So I'll be showing you that. To navigate to that file, use Linux command cd storage, emulated, zero. Then you have to type the file name which I have created previously, appy2. Press enter. Now you are inside the appy2 folder. To execute the Python file, you have to type python file name untitled.py. Press enter. So you can see output as hello world and hello. The two lines of code is executed. Thanks for watching this video. Please do share and subscribe.